What's going on, YouTubers, gunners, subscribers? Back again, another video. I'm actually doing the intro at the end because I just started recording. So we made some end caps today on some frame end caps on Kobe. We got some stuff out to the powder coater. Just check it out, man. It's a simple video. It's not going to be particularly too long, but I got some stuff done around the garage. You know what I mean? I stripped the gas tank and whatnot. But yeah, enjoy the video, man. Like, comment, subscribe, all that cool stuff. Give me some gun emojis. I'm watching you. All right, now. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right. So, all right, guys. Yep. All right, guys. All right. So, okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Ball Stone 40 going in on the cartridge. Vacuum it first, real good. Really good. Get some carpet cleaner. Clean that up and get it ready for paint. Moving along. My boy Bing and Chris stopped by real quick. These are the guys that take care of all the powder coating. You've seen them on the channel before. So this is some of the stuff they're going to start off with. We're going to go with what? What's that purple called? Matte? It's a matte.
Illusion purple. Illusion matte purple.
Illusion matte purple. So that's the color and powder coating we're going with. So we're doing the subframe for now. This is all I can give them for now. I still have to bust down the suspension. But valve cover, subframe, the forks, the diffuser. We're going to see how that purple looks. There's no rush on it because the car's going to the body shop, but I just wanted to keep you guys in the loop. Basically, what we're having here to explain to you a little bit more on this build is a theme of the yellow, the black for the Mamba, the yellow basically for the Laker jersey, and then the purple. So when you just seen Bing and Chris pick up all the stuff to get powder coated, I'm planning on doing those compliance arms, the lower control arms, the subframe, the forks. I'm going to strip down these spindles here. I'm going to get those to go purple. And basically all the back suspension that you would see here would be purple. But it all has to match. So just wanted to give you guys a little bit of I don't know, clarity on that. So we're going yellow. The matte black is just the undercoating, and then the rest will be purple. About to start cutting out these plates now for the frame, where the radiator support was bolted up to. So gonna make these end caps so my boy Ben Welds can weld those up, because we don't want to do it later and then have some welding going on after the car is painted. So I'm probably just gonna put the stand on and cut these two plates out, see how they measure up on there, and working on a Sunday. Now remember, as I'm cutting this out, I'm really not going to be able to get into these grooves the way I could. So I'm just going to basically cut it as best as I can, and I'll take care of the rest on the bench grinder. Got my mask on. Hello. I'll start working. Can you see? You good? My man. now that I got that shape out of the way, I can be able to get in here with the blade. This isn't the greatest blade. It's just, you could reuse it. I don't even know what it is. It's like a diamond cut, whatever. It's more of like a grinder, but it works. And then, so now I'll be able to cut into here and then take out the rest of this plate, and then I can shape it on the bench. Both pieces cut out. Now I'll use the bench wheel here, and I'll be able to get all this shape right. Now I'll use this side of the wheel to clean up these rough edges. So moving right along. So we've just basically got to get this guy to match here. That's basically what we're doing. It'll be flipped. Okay, before you kill me, I found my jigsaw. I found it, but unfortunately I don't have a blade for metal. I've got wood on here. I found it a little too late, so what I ended up doing was getting a smaller blade on this guy, because it was much harder to grind that down on the wheel, but I got it. Got it pretty good. So now I cleaned up the edges. It's not sharp or anything, so gonna see how it matches up onto the frame. So basically, to give you a little preview of how this is going to look, we're going to get Ben to weld all this up. I labeled them left and right, and the end caps are done. You might need a little bit of retouching up once he gets here. I just didn't want to take off too much, and he tells me, hey, you know what? I can really catch a good bead back here. You should have left it. I didn't want to make it too short. But coming out great. That's it. The end caps are done. Kobe's looking good. Kobe's looking good and we haven't even done nothing but strip it. But man, came out good. Trappy did a great job tracing. I just followed his lines. Yeah, not bad. Gunning on a Sunday. Well guys, my day's wrapped up, man. I'm all finished for today. Relax. I'm all finished for today. Yeah, so the plan for next week, you're watching this right now. Today's Sunday. Enjoy it. I hope you're having a good time. So the plan for next week is to, basically tomorrow, get the car over to the body shop. We'll start moving the motor stuff more, towards the toolbox, and we'll start to build the motor. We're gonna make a few trips to Tri-State. I did promise you guys a super sale on the skunk stuff. I did not forget. It's coming. They're waiting for a large pallet. If you are interested in buying any skunk, I'm telling you, I'm not sponsored by skunk anything. I'm sponsored by Tri-State, and we're gonna help you through them. Do not buy skunk yet. Wait for me to post the sale. It'll be either on YouTube, 100% on Instagram. We're going to get you guys free shipping and almost 20-25% off. You guys are going to pay ridiculously low prices for skunk stuff. So, yeah, man. Just more grinding next week. I can't wait till tomorrow. I'll be honest with you. I can't wait till tomorrow. Get this car out of here. Get it into the hands of the body shop. And then go on from there. But I hope you're learning throughout this entire build, this entire vlog series. I hope you're having fun. I hope we're entertaining you, man. Yeah, support the website, man. Any merchandise, I never really tell you guys this, but yeah, keepgunning.com. My website is in the description if you ever want to buy anything cool. Yeah, the B Series motor's on the way. We're going to do a whole bunch of cool things this year, man. I'm excited. Even in the pandemic, man, we continue to grind. I'm trying to motivate all of you at once. You know what I mean? I hope this is motivating you. I hope you're getting off your ass, man. I hope you're working, man. I hope you're not just letting that news, you know, the media get to your brain. I don't even watch it no more, dude. I feel so much better not watching it. I'd rather die not even knowing, man. I don't want someone to tell me like, hey, dude, you're going to die Tuesday, 7:13 p.m. God forbid. But with that being said, man, I hope all of you are safe. I hope all of you are happy. I hope all of you are healthy, man. So, till tomorrow, man. Keep gunning.